I am Brian and I'm the founder of BFA, Brian Forex Academy. Behind me is the TV that is going to show me the video that I edited the previous days, and it is in my YouTube channel called Brian Forex. So you can guys go there and watch it, guys, at your own time. And I'm here, guys, to give you an entire overview of my office. And without guys wasting much time, guys, let me guys take you inside the office, and I'll guys start recording a video, guys, from outside, so you will see the office where it is located from the road. Guys, I'm here and I'm guys recording this particular video to show you specifically where I'm residing right now and what I'm doing. I'm residing in this particular house here at the lightest hand side the door. There is guys where guys I do live. Let me guys take you right inside. From that I have guys written, and I'm just going to follow, and that is guys I'm just going to show you guys in this particular video. It's very strategic and is branded in such a way that I'm just going to first go to this one and just using a list to months. That is maximum projection. And here's how I'm just going to approach it. First of all, I'm just going to trade the maximum of only 2 trades to every single week. And the maximum I hope guys will have seen the setup very well. As you can see that the PCs, guys, the CPU I mean, and I have guys mounted the TV, guys, at the wall. And here, this is guys the socket I use, guys, to plug in for the power to come and power here at my computer. And you can see here, this is got the radio that is gives out the voice, the sound, to produce the sound here. And this one small here, it's got the tweeter that it gives an output of the voice. So now let us guys do that something. And right now, guys, I'm afraid guys to show you like this one right now. I just want to go. I hope guys will have enjoyed a lot, and if guys will find this particular video very valuable, don't forget guys to hit that subscribe button and a like, so as guys this particular video guys can be recommended to more people guys like you and people who love to keep growing every single day. Because in this office, guys, is where BFA is residing, or the headquarters of BFA is, guys, it is guys located at Mahushi, villages guys called the country. So come here guys, visit me, and you'll enjoy a lot of things, guys. This is guys just already the starting point of me creating big wealth.